sa atong mga kabataan. Kung nabalaka na sila nga magsakit sa cancer, heart disease, diabetes, stroke, inikita nila 40, 50. We need to make some intervention in the first 10 years of their life. Muna pinag-importante ng mga katubigan sa mga kabataan. So pray na our child in the way they should go. Anharo na nato sila sa ganyan. This is for our protection. But in addition to that, we as a church, we God's people, there is a plus factor. We realize the fact that the health reform is one branch of the great word, which is to feed the people for the coming of the Lord. It is as closely connected with the third angel species as the hand is with the body. Although the health reform is not the third angel species, it is closely connected with it. Those who proclaim the message should teach health reform also. It is a subject that we must understand, and in order to be prepared for the events that are close upon us, and it should have a prominent place in our lives, brethren. That's why in our gospel outreach, there is always a health lecture. And I believe our hospital is on the front line in this matter.